Let's have a look in this custom-built Sprinter van. Pablo and Anna bought brand new Sprinter van and found a contractor who built it exactly as they wanted. Right by the entrance you have a tiny fridge, dining area. The table is actually movable and you can use it outdoors. The van itself is 7 meters long and is rear-wheel drive. I really like that they choose to have 2 swivel seats because you don't lose that space in the front. Above the table there is a fan. Here you have decent sized kitchen with 2-burner gas stove and oven. Deep sink. Under the bed there is 120-liter water tank. Silverware. More storage. Bedroom with queen size bed and upper head cabinets. The skylight. Extra shelf for books. Control panel for electronics, water and heater. Extra step to get up into the bed. Bathroom with chemical toilet. Tiny window and shower, of course. Under bed is a garage. On the left side is a water tank and on the right side is electronic appliances. And on the right you can see outdoor shower. Detailed tour you can find on the second channel.